Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit your form fields in HubSpot. This is essential for keeping your contact forms up to date and ensuring you're collecting the right information from your leads and customers. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. If you already have an account, click on it and you'll be taken to the sign in page. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click Get Free HubSpot CRM to create an account, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have one set up. Enter your HubSpot credentials and click Sign In to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Now focus on the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your HubSpot tools. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Marketing and an expanded window will appear with additional choices. From this expanded menu, look for and click on Forms. This will take you to the page where all your existing forms are stored. On the Forms page, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Locate the specific form you want to edit by browsing through the list or using the search function. Click directly on the form name to open it. Alternatively, you can hover over the form and click Actions followed by Edit if you're using the legacy editor. Once the form opens, click Edit Form to enter the editing interface where you can make your changes. In the form editor, you'll notice a left panel with various options. To add new fields, click the plus button. This allows you to drag new fields directly into your form layout. If you want to modify existing fields, simply click on any field to edit its properties. You can change the label, add placeholder text, or mark it as required depending on your needs. Next, review the form options at the top of the settings. Here you can configure important details like what happens after someone submits the form. You might want to set a custom success message, add a redirect URL to send users to a specific page, or enable a thank you email to acknowledge their submission. Before you finalize everything, click Preview to see exactly how your form will appear on your pages. This is your chance to ensure all fields, labels, and actions look correct and function as intended. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save or Publish Changes to apply your updates to the live form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.